Now, if you're an independent filmmaker or in broadcast or even at a big studio and you're working in HD, you want one thing: total control, right? And that's exactly what the XL-H1 gives you. Total control. Not just over the image, but over the entire creative and technical process. Over the past few months, we've been shooting a cinematic documentary called The Watchmaker, using the XL-H1 camcorder exclusively and just the way it comes out of the box. This film follows a day in the life of a precision craftsman, a real master watchmaker, Mr. John Sorrento.
What sets the world in motion? Changes dark into light. Details into designs. What emotion? Impulse, passion, sparks, the inner mechanism of expression. What moves your hands? Mind. Imagination, to transform that which inhabits your mind's eye into visible form.
And cut. Excellent job.
As you can see, we've replicated the interior of the Watchmaker studio here at CES so that you can experience firsthand some of what the XL-H1 is capable of in real-life shooting situations. As this professional crew is at work on our set, we're able to observe the remarkable XL-H1 HD camcorder in action, up close and personal.
Hey, camera. It's rolling. That's good for me. Action camera car. Boom up. Speed up. Speed up. Keep coming, John. That's pretty.
Image is rich with contrast, color, and clarity, from wide-angle panoramas to telephoto close-up shots. That's what the XL-H1 delivers. And speaking of close-ups, I think our crew is ready for the next shot. Let's put those lenses to the test, shall we?
All right, John, start drilling. Very nice. Let's get that beautiful detail. And let's go to the crane. Nice. A little more. And cut. Okay, we got our boarded shots. I would love to do a handheld close-up of the holding the balance wheels. Let's go to that balance wheel again. I just want to grab that close-up. Okay, give me C when you can, when it's ready. Okay. Alright, let's go a little tighter. Get really way in there. Oh, nice. Let's focus. Okay, put the image stabilization on.
I think you got some good shots there.